If you're in search of an ideal place to call home in Mullica Hill, New Jersey, look no further than the charming Cherry Lawn neighborhood. This comprehensive guide aims to provide potential home buyers with a detailed understanding of what makes Cherry Lawn a sought-after community. So more, Cherry Lawn is a picturesque neighborhood in Mullica Hill known for its diverse real estate offerings. Characterized by large homes with unique architectural styles, sitting on 1 acre minimum lots, Cherry Lawn provides a serene and welcoming atmosphere for residents. This community is reasonably priced, making it an attractive option for families and individuals looking to invest in a quality living experience. And here at Cherry Lawn, you're in the Clearview School District, which means middle school and high school are Clearview schools. The highly rated and sought after school district. Harrison Township Elementary if your kids are K through 3rd grade, and Pleasant Valley School for 4th, 5th, and 6th grade. There is nothing better in South Jersey and Gloucester County specifically for schools. Give me a call, Nancy Kowalik, at 856-478-6562 to get all of your questions answered.